Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of new and exciting vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X, a compact, retro-styled adventure bike that blends classic Scrambler design with modern engineering. Triumph has entered the entry-level segment with serious intent, offering a motorcycle that's as capable on city streets as it is on back roads and trails. Design and build. The Scrambler 400X carries the unmistakable Triumph DNA, muscular, retro, and rugged. Its high-mounted exhaust, signature round headlight, sculpted fuel tank, and upright stance pay homage to the Scramblers of old while offering modern comfort and durability. With 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels, a longer wheelbase, and increased ground clearance compared to the Speed 400, the 400X is built for versatility. Its tall and wide handlebar setup, along with a longer travel suspension and bash plate, signals off-road intentions while maintaining street comfort. Engine and performance. Powering the Scrambler 400X is an all-new 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine from Triumph's TR Series platform. This motor pushes out 39.5 horsepower and 37.5 Newton-meters of torque, delivered through a 6-speed gearbox and supported by a slip-and-assist clutch for smooth gear shifts. The bike has a linear power band, offering enough grunt for city commuting and light off-roading without overwhelming new riders. Triumph has tuned the engine to be responsive and refined, perfect for those seeking a spirited yet manageable ride. Tech and features. Despite being aimed at the budget-conscious segment, Triumph hasn't held back on features. The Scrambler 400X includes ride-by-wire throttle, switchable dual-channel ABS, and traction control, all uncommon in this category. The semi-digital instrument cluster keeps things simple and clear, while the LED lighting all around adds a modern touch. Ergonomically, the seat is flat and well padded, ensuring long-distance comfort, and the bike's 835mm seat height provides a commanding view without feeling too tall. Final verdict. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X is a standout machine in the small-capacity adventure category. It offers a premium feel, robust build quality, and practical features at a competitive price. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first big brand Scrambler or a seasoned rider wanting a lightweight, go-anywhere companion, the 400X delivers on all fronts. Keep it locked on Upcoming Auto Reviews for more expert insights and reviews on the latest rides hitting the roads.